Debt can feel like a chain that keeps you from moving forward, a burden that weighs on your mind and your wallet every day. Credit cards, loans, piling up bills. The list seems endless. But today I'm going to teach you a proven, easy-to-follow method that has helped thousands of people get out of debt faster than they imagined. It's called the Snowball Method, and if you apply it with discipline, your financial life can change completely. What is the Snowball Method? The Snowball Method is a debt repayment strategy in which you focus on the smallest debts first, regardless of the interest rate. The idea is to achieve small, quick victories that motivate you to continue. Think of a snowball that starts small at the top of a mountain, and as it goes down, it grows and gains strength. That's how it works with your debts. You start small, but the momentum you gain makes everything move faster. Example, ... Debt 1. Store card, €300. Debt 2. Personal loan, €2,000. Debt 3. Credit card, €4,500. Debt 4. Car loan, €9,000. Using the Snowball Method, you would pay off the €300 debt first, even if it has a lower interest rate than the other debt. The goal here isn't just mathematical, it's psychological. You need to see quick results so you don't give up. How to sort out your debts. ... 1. Make a list of all your debts, without hiding any, with their total amounts and minimum payments. 2. Order them from lowest to highest according to the total balance, regardless of interest. 3. ... Keep the minimum payment on all but the smallest. Put all the extra money you can into that. Common problem: I don't know how much extra I can allocate. Solution: review unnecessary expenses, subscriptions you don't use, meals out, etc., and allocate that money to extra payments. Even €50 more per month makes a big difference. Why start with the smallest one? ... The key to success is not just paying, but staying motivated. When you eliminate a small debt, you feel relief and gain confidence. This gives you energy to go for the next one, and so on. If you try to tackle the largest debt first, it may take months or years to see it go down. And that's demotivating. Example ... Maria had 4 debts totaling €12,000. Using the Snowball Method, he paid off his first debt of €400 in 1 month. That achievement gave him so much motivation that he accelerated the payment of the next one, and, in 18 months, he was debt-free. The accelerator effect ... Every time you finish paying off a debt, you add the money you were allocating to that debt to pay off the next one. This creates an accelerator effect. It's like your snowball is rolling faster and faster. Example: you paid €50 a month for the small debt. When you pay it off, those €50 are added to the minimum payment on the next debt. Now you pay €120 instead of €70, and the time is drastically reduced. What to do if unforeseen events arise? ... Problems and solutions. Medical emergency or unexpected expense. Have an emergency fund of at least €500,000 before starting, so you don't go back into debt. Variable income. If you earn less 1 month, maintain at least the minimum payments and adjust the extra in the good months. High interest debt. If it's extremely high, for example, 40% interest, you can prioritize it over the smallest debt, but only in extreme cases. Reinvest what you save. ... When you finish paying off all your debts, don't spend that money right away. Use that amount to build a stronger emergency fund, invest, or save for bigger goals like your home, college, or retirement. The important thing is not to fall back into the cycle of debt. Getting out of debt quickly isn't just a matter of numbers. It's a matter of motivation and perseverance. The Snowball Method works because it gives you quick wins and a clear plan. Start today. Write down your debts, organize them, and focus on the smallest one. Every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. If this video helped you, subscribe for more personal finance tips and share it with someone who needs it. Remember, today's discipline is tomorrow's freedom.